Welcome back, everyone. It is time now for Great Day Law. Every month, we like to check in with our good friend, Lawyer Twillie, a.k.a. Lawyer the Lawyer, for some free legal advice for you.
Yes, and today's topic is very timely. Summer is in full swing, as we all know, and with that can come an uptick in accidents. And we're really going to put the focus today on motorcycles. Lawyer, thanks for being with us. We so appreciate it.
Thank you for having me.
Now, again, 90%, if not more, of the motorcyclists obey the law.
Yes.
They do the right thing. You got the weavers, though, that I call them.
Yes.
They scare me to no end.
Yes.
They come up, they're doing 100, they're weaving in and out of traffic. If they get into an accident, is that my responsibility?
Absolutely not.
Okay.
Absolutely not. But I'll be honest with you. The insurance companies sometimes will get a little lazy, and they may still pay out on a claim and without any input from you, because motorcyclists, when they get injured, a lot of times the injuries are so significant. That it's not even worth fighting. Like, so for example, let's say you have a $100,000 policy, a motorcyclist comes up behind you and weaves in front of you and somehow gets injured and your car is involved. Well, if the injuries are, if he's got $200,000 worth of medical bills and broken bones or something like that, an insurance company might say, hey, even if we were 50-50 at fault, which we don't think we are, but just to avoid that battle,
what if
we're
there
just gonna go
are
ahead and pay out.
witnesses?
Yeah. If there are witnesses, then a lot of times the insurance company will, stand their ground and not pay.
And if you are the motorcyclist and you're injured, what do you do?
I mean, you get in touch with an attorney.
Right away.
Yeah, and listen, a lot of times the injuries are so significant
Yeah,
because you don't have that extra
there's
protection.
No protection.
Yeah.
Right.
You know,
It's very
road
difficult.
rash, it's going to happen. And I don't care what kind of jacket you have on or coat you have on.
Please wear a helmet.
Please wear a helmet. Those injuries are bad.
Yeah.
I represented somebody that was coming down the road, a vehicle left turned in front of them, didn't even make contact. His bike was able to stop just short, but he flipped over the front of the car, got hurt his leg. They couldn't save his leg.
Wow.
Oh, that's unfortunate.
So he had an amputation below the knee. So these injuries, when it comes to motorcyclists, can be very, very significant.
What is the course of action if you see a motorcyclist on the road, and there is an accident? First thing to do is call the police?
Call the police, for sure. For sure. And if you're driving a car, like, just have your head on a swivel, especially this time of year. Those weavers, they come up so fast. You can look in your rearview mirror, not see anything. And then
next thing you know,
they're right there.
They're right there.
They're right there. So you just got to be careful.
Well, and so these are lifelong injuries that might affect how someone's actually going to be able to work and all of that. So that's why you think it's even more important that they have an attorney.
Yes, because a lot of times what people will look at is they'll just say they'll look at the immediate, the short term. We look at it long term. Like, you could have road rash, scarring. You could have, an injury to your back that may seem to be okay now. Well, not okay, but like heal after a few months. But you don't know that there's arthritis starting to grow on that vertebrae, and like in 4 years it's going to impinge upon a nerve, and then you have sciatica going. So an attorney, if they're doing their job appropriately, is going to think about those long-term effects, make sure that you have the medical documentation to prove that, so that you get a fair settlement that isn't just taking care of you now, but is taking care of you for the long term.
That's awesome.
How much do you cost?
I work on a contingency fee basis, so
how
I'm
does that
free
work?
until we're able to help you recover money.
So the call is free, the meeting is free,
Yes.
everything's free. So you have
Consultation's
nothing
free.
to lose by calling
And
and
if
getting some free advice.
If
Correct.
you don't win the case, then
We don't get anything.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's basically
Well,
free.
there's all the info. 860-595-3163, 860-595-3163, or lalawct.com.
So great.